Hello, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Nice to see you again in my channel, and thank you for still stay in my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, follow me, and share this video to everybody, so you can educate to everybody too. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm in the dining room. That's the place I work. I'm one of the waiter in a Holland America Line cruise, and my job is a waiter. And in this time, I'd like to educate you about get dinner in the fine dining room. This content, let me disclaim that might be not all of you knows about the table manner, because I have a million experience about the guests that I serve. So they just, when they have a seated and they got a menu, and they confused about the tool or utensil they facing on the table, and they just surprised, wow, what is this? Okay, so now I'd like to educate you about the table manner in the fine dining room. But let me explain, because there's a few typical of the restaurant. There is a freestyle restaurant. That means that you are like takeaway or just grab and go, or you get the food and you can enjoy whatever you like, yeah, like a McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, or Hungry Jack, or whatever is that. But there is also a fine dining, mostly the fine dining room, always with a tablecloth, yeah, tablecloth with a napkin, and we serve. Yeah. Sometimes they call it a la carte. Yeah, we serve by the order. Okay, so at this time I'm gonna explain to you what is utensil for. Ladies and gentlemen, this restaurant is this the place where I work. Okay, now it's at the night time. All the dinner done already. Okay, so for our restaurant here, we serve like 2,100 or 2,300 guests in one time. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this setup for the fine dining. Okay, this one always in the left side of your seat. We call it a B&B plate, or butter and bread plate with a knife. This we call it B&B knife. This for butter and bread knife. And there's a few utensil or tools you can see. This is a small fork, the bigger fork. There's a big knife. There's a soup spoon and a small knife. Okay, this call it the soup spoon. This is we call it the dinner knife, and this one we call it the dinner fork. Sometimes this one we call it the appetizer fork. And in the top here, that's we call it dessert knife for dessert fork. The tablespoon is for the ice cream. This one ice cream, and this one for coffee or tea. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, when you see it, please educate yourself and knowledge about your utensil. Okay, whenever you got the dinner in the fine dining room, and then when you got the dinner, of course mostly you order the starter, or we call it the appetizer, and then mostly you order soup. Maybe you order the salad, either there's a house salad or Caesar salad or whatever is that, and then you move on to main dish or the main course, and then after the main course you're gonna order a dessert, either the dessert, a cake or ice cream or sundae or whatever is that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how do you use this one? So you use the utensil from the outside. Okay, outside. For example, you order the tomato and mozzarella salad, or you order tabbouleh salad, or you order the devil egg or whatever the appetizer. Mostly you use from outside. You use from this one. Okay, let's say your waiter gonna napping you or nap your lap. So, alright, this napkin gone. So this is gonna be the bread and butter right in the front of you. You enjoying the bread and butter right here on the left side, yeah? Oh yeah, okay. Other than utensil, hold on, I forgot to explain. Okay, and of course you have the glasses. Okay, that's a fine dining room with the salt and pepper, of course, on the table. And, okay, what glasses? We have 4 type of glasses on the table, mostly in the fine dining room. I'm talking about the fine dining, yeah. This one we call it the water goblet for the ice water, right in the top of here. And then this is smaller one, a small wine glass. We call it the white wine glass, small one. And this one we call it Bordeaux, or big wine glass for the red wine. And of course the other one is for appetizer. Mostly you got the champagne or sparkling wine or something like that, yeah. If you don't like, maybe just white wine, they cannot take it out the glass. If you like, so normally you do start the appetizer with the white wine, maybe like a Pinot Grigio or Moscato, yeah, or a Riesling for the starter, or sparkling wine, rosé or champagne for the starter. And then for the main, mostly depend what you got. If they are the red meat, mostly the medium red wine, medium bodied or full bodied, like Cabernet Sauvignon, or you have the red wine, Pinot Noir maybe, or Malbec, that's from Argentina. Yeah. Okay. Let's say you order already the appetizer. So when the appetizer coming, when they put the appetizer in the front of you, start from the outside. You use this one and you use this one for enjoying the appetizer. Yeah, from outside. Okay, and then let's say you finish already, you got your appetizer, they're gonna take it out and you're gonna get a soup. Of course, you have a soup right here. That's for the soup, right? Let's say after you finish the soup and then you change your mind again. Oh my god, I like salad. Maybe I'm gonna try the Caesar salad with the anchovies on the side. Okay, fine. They're gonna give you, set it up, they're gonna adjust another utensil again, yeah. They're gonna give you small ones. You never touch this one because this one for the main dish or for the main course. So okay, let you say finish your salad, take it out this one, and you have that utensil. Look, okay. And the main dish coming. Well, let's say you got the fish, or you get the chicken or salmon or a snapper or whatever is that. So this for the main, you use this one. Okay, while you enjoying the bread, okay, you enjoying the wine, okay, the red wine. You have the Cabernet Sauvignon, or you have a Pinot Noir, or maybe you have a Oberon, or you have whatever is that. And let's say you finish your main, take it out with this one. Wow, there's another utensil in the front. They're gonna be normally the waiter gonna put it down to other side automatically. That means maybe you have a cheesecake or chocolate cake, so this for the cake. All right, or maybe you have, oh, I ordered the sorbet, I order the sundae. They're gonna put you put the tablespoon, the small one, right there. But let's say you not order the cake, only the ice cream, sundae or vanilla ice cream or yogurt or sherbet or sorbet. Okay, so they're gonna take it out this one without, because you not order the cake. If you don't order the cake, of course you're gonna take it out this one, and only that's all. That's for the cake. Okay, sorry, and that's for the cake. Yep, or ice cream, that is one. Or sometimes you order the cake like a cheesecake. I might have a cheesecake with the almond, with a vanilla ice cream, of course, like that. So we're gonna give you two. This for the cake and ice cream. Okay, let's say you're enjoying the cake with a vanilla ice cream or cheesecake a la mode, and you order the tea or coffee. Wait a minute, yeah. Okay, so this one for the coffee and tea. Okay, so you finish your cake with the ice cream. You finish your bread already. Gonna take it out. You're gonna clean it up, all the bread and butter. So only the coffee and tea with a cup right there. And you finish with the wine, or you enjoying the wine, of course with the water goblet there. Or you finish the white wine or without any wine, and okay, or red wine. Maybe you enjoying the red wine for the rest of your dinner. Okay, and a coffee or tea. Okay, guys, that's all my content tonight. Hope you enjoy this content, and hope my content give you education, give you information, yeah, about the table manner in the fine dining room. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my content tonight is about the table manner in the fine dining room. I hope this information or this content give you views, give you information about if you get the dining room or dinner in a fine dining. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe, follow and share this video. Thank you very much. See you another content again. Thank you very much.